So over here, you can see that I have a table where some of the data in the prices column are not there, as you can see. So they are null data, while the ones with the prices are not null right here. So with that in mind, what we can do is we can filter out the data by using SQL Query, where we will filter out the data where it is null and where it is not null. So to do that, I'm going to go around and click on the create button right here. So once you go around over here on the create button, you can click on query design. So once you do that, you can click on SQL right here and type in the SQL query right here. So now I'm just going to go around over here, and then over here you can see that select is already written out. So I'm just going to go around and then erase out the semicolon for now, and I'm going to type in the column names that I want to display. So I'm just going to go around and display out let's say topic over here. So I want to display out topic, then I want to display out skill right here, just like this. I'm just going to go around and type in skill, and I'm going to type in price right here. These are the columns I want to be displayed. And I'm going to press enter right here, and I'm going to type in from, and I'm going to type in the name of the table right here, just like this. And I'm going to add in the condition now. So where the prices. So I'm going to type in price right here. So that will be how the data will be filtered. So I'm going to say where the prices are null. So I'm going to say is null right here, just like this. You have to type in is null. So wherever there is no data inside of the price column, it will be displayed out now. So if I were to go to query design and hit run button, you can see that the data where there is no value in price, it just shows up. So I'm going to go around over here onto SQL view, and over here instead of is null, I'm going to type in is not null now and click on run. So once you do that, now the exact opposite happens, as you can see right here. It displays out all of the data where the prices field is not null, as you can see right there. So that is how you can work around with null and not null syntax inside of Microsoft Access using SQL Query. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.